In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Wise account. If you're looking to make international money transfers that are both fast and affordable, opening a Wise account might just be the perfect solution for you. Let's dive into the process and I'll walk you through it step by step so you know exactly what to do. First things first, head over to the Wise website. You can easily find it by typing wise.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, look towards the top where you'll see an option that says Open an Account. Clicking on this will take you to the registration page, which is where the process really begins. Here you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure it's one that you use frequently as you'll need to access it to verify your registration. After you've entered your email, click on the Next button, which will move you forward in the process. At this point, Wise will send a confirmation email to the address you just provided. Now it's time to check your email. Open your email inbox and look for a new message from Wise. If you don't see it right away, don't forget to check your spam or junk folder, as sometimes new emails end up there by mistake. Once you find the email, open it and you should see a prompt to confirm your email address. Just click on the link or the button that says Confirm Email Address. Once your email is confirmed, you'll then be taken back to the Wise website to complete your account setup. You'll see a button labeled Continue. Clicking on this will move you along to the next step. Next, you'll be asked to choose the type of account you want to create, a personal account or a business account. Think about which option best suits your needs, whether you're planning to transfer money for personal reasons or for business transactions. Once you've made your decision, select your country or region from the drop-down list. This helps Wise tailor the account settings to your specific location, which is important for compliance and currency purposes. Again, click Continue to proceed. Now, it's time to enter your phone number. This step is essential for two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security to your account. Once you've input your number, you'll need to verify it, usually by entering a code that Wise will send via text message. Finally, create a strong password to secure your account, and with that, you are done. You've successfully navigated the process and your Wise account is ready to use. With this account, you can now start making those international transfers with ease. Thanks for following along and enjoy your new Wise account.